Get your career kick-started today. Welcome to the Career Channel. In this tutorial, you will learn the power of speaking up at work, critical considerations for career development, how to get support from your colleagues when seeking promotion, how to get our free personal development pack. Just quickly, please do subscribe to the channel as it motivates us to keep bringing you great content. Thank you. Before being vocal and speaking up in the workplace, it is important to know the 7 C's of effective communication. This will ensure that you are heard in the most powerful and engaging way possible. This is crucial if you want to land that promotion or just gain the respect of your colleagues. First, being clear about what you are saying is crucial. Make sure you know exactly what you want to say. Be concise, don't waffle on, keep to the point. Be concrete in knowing your facts and ensure you are correct. Make sure you are coherent in that your message is laid out logically and is understandable. Ensure your message is complete and contains everything the audience needs to know. Finally, be courteous. Being polite, clear, and even assertive when required are crucial to be respected. Speaking up at work and finding your voice can be really important to employees for many reasons. Personal development. Speaking up and participating in discussions can help employees develop skills such as communication, critical thinking, and problem solving. It can also enhance their visibility within the organization, potentially leading to career advancement opportunities. Keeping your head down will not get your achievements recognized. You have to make sure the senior teams see your skills and that you get credit for your work. Problem-solving skills. When employees voice their concerns or suggest improvements, it can help identify issues that might otherwise go unnoticed. Addressing these problems can lead to a more efficient and productive work environment. Management will also see your talents and remember you. Innovation and creativity. Encouraging others to share their ideas and perspectives can foster innovation and creativity within the organization. Fresh insights can lead to new solutions, products, or processes that can benefit the company. It will also show you are a great listener and understand the value of diverse thought. Employee engagement. Employees who feel heard and valued are often more engaged and committed to their work. Being able to express themselves and see their input taken seriously can boost morale and job satisfaction. By encouraging others and listening to them, they will respect you and value you as a colleague. Organizational learning. Open communication channels enable organizations to learn from their employees' experiences and expertise. This continuous learning can lead to better decision-making and adaptability to changing circumstances. You should also demonstrate your understanding to the leadership team in meetings to showcase your knowledge. Ethical considerations. Speaking up can be crucial when employees witness unethical or illegal behavior in the workplace. Reporting such issues helps maintain the organization's integrity and ensures a safe and ethical work environment. Speaking up on behalf of others also positions you as a leader and caring for your team. Team collaboration. Being more vocal can promote collaboration and a culture of feedback within teams. Constructive criticism and open dialogue can lead to stronger relationships and better teamwork. When seeking promotion, others will support you as they know you are a team player and someone who will work well with them. Customer and stakeholder satisfaction. Sometimes employees have valuable insights into customer or stakeholder needs that can improve products or services. Speaking up can contribute to higher customer satisfaction and loyalty. When seeking promotion, this demonstrates your customer focus and big picture thinking. Risk mitigation. Employees who voice concerns about safety or compliance issues can help the organization identify and mitigate risks. This proactive approach can prevent costly mistakes or legal issues. This also demonstrates to management your understanding of resources and costs for the organization. Inclusivity and diversity. Encouraging employees to speak up ensures that diverse perspectives are heard. This inclusivity can lead to more equitable decision-making and a stronger, more resilient organization. This is crucial to ensure that you are fair and known as a potentially moral and ethical leader. However, it's important to note that there can be challenges to being vocal. Employees may fear retaliation or not feel supported in their efforts to speak up. Therefore, organizations also have a responsibility to create a safe and supportive environment where employees feel comfortable sharing their thoughts and concerns without fear of negative consequences. Subscribe today to maximize your potential and boost your income. Visit our online store today and grab yourself some premium merch. Check out our other videos for more great tips. Stop by the website to access more powerful interview support to make sure you pass your interview first time. While you are there, you can also download a free interview preparation pack.